This is a Brum kiddie ride by Amitac. I know they fixed the sound, so this is why I'm filming it.
Press start.
Condition now, they fixed the sound. Glad. There used to be one of these that was in Cleethorpes, but it's now gone. I didn't expect to fix the sound. Nathan only got in 2004 under license of Ragdoll Productions.
Have another ride soon.
That was a Brum kiddie ride by Amitac, sited at Planet Fun Amusements in Inglemells.